Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this cute and beautiful butterfly, paper butterfly in a form of a magnet. You can use this butterfly in order to hang your paper notes to your fridge, and then you can use this beautiful butterfly to create some home decor and other thing. But today we will learn how to create this super cute and easy paper butterfly magnet. Okay, let's get started. In order to create this butterfly, we will need the template that I've already made, and I will post the link below this video where you can find this ready-made template. But if you want to create a template on your own, you will need a piece of paper. You will need to fold enough the piece of paper, a pencil, and then you will need to draw your butterfly. It's quite easy. And then okay, you will need a pair of scissors, and then to cut your template in this way. It's quite easy, and you can draw your butterfly in many different ways as you like. For me, it's okay in this way. Okay, here your template, and then now we will use a piece of yellow paper, and we will create our butterfly that at the end we will decorate. Okay, now with our, sorry for the noise, now with our template, press down and your butterfly template, and then cut around the borders. Okay, okay, voila. Here our cute butterfly. Here a little piece of paper that we need to cut. Okay, perfect. Now we will need to decorate our butterfly, and so I will use this pen, glitter pen in golden or brown, and this pen in silver. I will create the body of the butterfly in this way. If you don't have a silver pen, you can use a black one or another color. Then we will trace with this near the border. Okay, Okay. I would suggest that you do in this way 2 times. Better. Okay. Then we will repeat this operation. Okay. In this way you will add more sparkle to your butterfly. Okay. Now we will need only to decor the inside of our butterfly, the inside part. Okay. And then we will use our silver pen and we will do in this way. We will create some dots around our butterfly body wings. Okay, as you like and you prefer. Okay, and now we will finish with other dots in the same color, gold or a sort of brown gold glitter pen. Okay. And the same here. And we are now at the end of the creation of this cute butterfly. Here's the finished butterfly. Now we will need to glue our magnet on the back. You can use a white vinyl glue. You will need your magnet, here. Leave it to dry. Okay, and here our finished butterflies. I think they are quite nice, and you can gift them to your friends, and you can create many in different colors. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and this paper creation more springly, because the spring is around the corner. And see you next time with another paper creation. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video. See you, bye bye.